Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set the clock on your Audi TT Mk1. First, locate the two small buttons on the lower edge of your instrument cluster, directly beneath the speedometer and tachometer. Make sure your car's ignition is on, but the engine doesn't need to be running. Now, press and hold the left button for a few seconds until the hour display starts to flash. Once the hour digits are flashing, you can adjust them. Use the right-hand button to advance the hour. Each quick press will move the hour forward by one. If you hold the button down, the hours will cycle more quickly. Continue pressing until you reach the correct hour for your current time zone, paying attention to AM or PM if your display uses a 12-hour format. After setting the hour, press the left button again. This action will switch the flashing display from the hours to the minutes. Now, just like with the hours, use the right-hand button to adjust the minute value. Press it repeatedly to advance the minutes one by one, or hold it down for faster adjustment. Get the minutes precisely right for accurate timekeeping. Once you have the correct minutes displayed, press the left button one final time. This action will save your new time setting, and the digits will stop flashing. Your Audi TT Mk1 clock is now accurately set and ready to go. Enjoy your drive with the correct time displayed clearly on your dashboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.